I'm Laura Pepler and I'm racing in the Ducati Cup. Obviously a dream come true. We've been waiting for a long time, especially from the club side of things. We've been asking Joel and Ducati UAE for this opportunity. So we're all together, the same bikes. We're going to have a lot of fun, and that's what racing is about at the end of the day. So looking forward to this race season.
تقدم الشكر لاتحاد الدراجات في الإمارات وللأوتودروم المنظم، والشكر الجزيل لدوكاتي اللي أخذت هاي الفرصة في دبي حلبة الأوتودروم. السباق ممتع إن شاء الله بيكون أول سنة دوكاتي تنظم هذا، والشكر الجزيل للراعي الرسمي سلطان بن علي العويس.
Hi everyone, this is Yogesh and Krishnamalu from India. I'm here to do the Ducati Cup. I'm really happy to do this series.
Hi, I'm James. I'm on Racing 27 from Australia. Used to ride dirt track and motocross there.
My name is Nasser and I'm from India. I'm racing number 44.
Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm running number 46.
It's tiring. Yeah, exciting but tiring. You know, first round you have to get back into the racing rhythm, and just a bit of fitness. I'm behind in fitness, but slowly we'll get there. Now there's another month until the next race, so we'll try and do our best to get up to pace. You know. but cannot complain. And oh, a good race, just very hard in the second race because 5 laps until the end I was a bit tired, but yeah, it's overall great series and good start of the season.
It was wonderful. It was wonderful. Though it was hot and we were a bit struggling with the stamina, though, but it was good. It was very fantastic race, and thanks for the Masaood Ducati. They gave us an opportunity to race here, and this was the first race. So by next race we should be getting better there. Yeah, it's hot and plus the new bike. So both together makes me a little less in stamina. But by next race I should be back to the race again. Yeah, but still got the 3rd position, which I was, that's a great thing. Yes, thank you so much.
الله يبارك فيك. الله يبارك فيك. والله ممتاز تمام. الجو شوي حار. ولكن والله ماشي نفس الشيء. يحتاج شوية سيت اب. ان شاء الله السباق الثاني بنكون افضل. الله يبارك فيك. شكرا.